Hi, thank you for joining me for this review of this Visuo XS811 MOBLA GPS 5G Wi-Fi FPV Foldable RC Quadcopter drone, supplied courtesy of Banggood.com for review. So it comes in this box. Nice. Got a carry handle. Always good to have a carry handle. Some details on the back. And if I open it, this is it. So I'm just going to get everything out of the box. This is everything unpacked. And now the first thing, if you're familiar with the Visuo drone series, there's quite a difference in design of this compared to the previous Visuo drones, like this XS812, and quite a lot bigger. So very nice style, shape and design. And this is also a foldable drone. And if we fold it out, as you can see, this is a big drone. In the front here, we've got a 720p 2MP HD camera with a 120-degree wide angle lens. And this is manually adjustable down to 60 degrees there, or you can put in this position here. You can see our 5G antenna and also our 2.4 gigahertz antenna. This I think we're just going to pull out so one can connect the battery. And here's the battery compartment at the back. And this comes with this modular 7.4 volts 2600 mAh LiPo battery, which should be good for a flying time of around 14 minutes. And this slots in and clicks into position here. We've got our on-off button underneath here. And we can see now when we turn it on, we've got big bright green LEDs in the front and big bright red LEDs at the back. So this should also, and a little pilot light at the back here. This should also be very good for night flying and should be quite visible during the day. And then we've also got what looks like flashing eyes. So for orientation, this should really be good. Now the motors, I'm not sure if they are brushless, but I haven't opened it up. But I'm not going to say they are, but they could possibly be. We'll know when we start it up. The props are quite flexible, and this fold-away design should be good, shouldn't get damaged too easily. And this is made of quite a strong plastic, a little bit flexible. It feels as though it should be quite durable. Just turn it off for now. Down here. So it also comes with prop guards if you want to use prop guards. 4 spare propellers, always good to have spare propellers. You get this bag with a star Phillips screwdriver, a USB 2 to a 2S balance plug cable for charging the battery. So let's just have a look here. So we must have an adapter. And we do. We've got this that will plug onto here like that. And then the 3 pin 2S cable onto there. Plug this into a USB 2 source. And the light will either flash and then go solid or change color when it's fully charged. Now we also get this, and I'm not sure what this is for. Okay, these we put in, and this locks the arms in position. And we get the radio control transmitter. Both joysticks spring loaded, and this does have a good feel to it. You need to supply your own 4AA batteries, and then this just clips back onto here, and as you can see it doesn't hold too well, so it's good to fasten the screw again. But nice grips on the back here. I do like the feel of this. And if we remove this, we can put in the stand to put a mobile phone in to use for FPV, and also to use the app. Always nice to see the buttons and features labeled or have an icon. And here's a picture of the radio control functions. And power on button here. Also comes with this instruction manual on glossy paper. Good details, good illustrations, giving all the things you need, and the grammar is good too. And then QR codes to download the app for Android or iOS, and they're giving you the features of the app and functions too. So a good instruction manual, and the app is XSW GPS, and this is the same app that the Visuo XS811 uses too. Player obviously you'll need to connect to its Wi-Fi when it's turned on. And then we have the features. So this comes with Follow Me, comes with waypoint flight navigation, return to home, so it'll return to the takeoff point having GPS, circle mode. Then if you want to use VR glasses, you can fly VR with a mobile phone in VR glasses to fly FPV. Take a photo, take a video, and the media files. We also have altitude, distance, speed vertically, speed horizontal, GPS, how many satellites it's locked onto, and even roll, pitch, and yaw. If we look at the settings, you can set the default height of the waypoint, maximum height of the waypoint, speed of the waypoint, maximum time of stay at the waypoint, and the maximum radius of the waypoint too. And choose your preview either in 480p or 720p. Calibrate accelerometer and magnetometer, which is basically compass calibration. Those are the features and functions of the app. I'm really looking forward to flying this. It really feels light. And with this design, it'll be interesting to see how it performs in windy conditions. And this has a range of about 200 meters. Has 3 speeds, low and over current protection, and a 6-axis gyro and altitude hold. But what I don't see is an SD card slot on board. Unless this is a modular design battery like the XS812. And voila! Yes, we do have an SD card slot situated over here. So you just need to supply your own SD card. And then the camera just locks back on like that here. So let's go and see how this beauty performs. Got the Visuo XS811 connected to Wi-Fi. Got FPV on and everything. Now we're going to do compass calibration. So press this geomagnetic key here. And then turn this clockwise. Three times. And the red lights go solid. Then nose down. Turn it clockwise 3 times vertically like this. And then the green lights go solid. And that is compass calibrated. Now to calibrate the gyro, pull both sticks down to the right, lights flash, then go solid, and that is the gyro calibrated. Also tried connecting it onto an Android phone, and it wouldn't detect the wireless signal, but I think that's a problem with Android versions above version 6 in the UK only. So just be aware. Okay, but you will need a 5G phone to connect to the app for this. Okay. Going to start video. Okay. Start up the motors. Time the flight. Take off. Okay, so holding here now. Okay, not doing a toilet bowl effect, so holding quite steady. Now, these are brush motors. I thought they may be brushless, but they definitely sound like brush motors. So let's take it up. Those lights look really good and really great and really bright. Okay, so we're up there at 58 foot. I'm going to do a slow pan here for video. Looks good on the screen here too. And take it up a bit higher. Really holding steady, very nice, very smooth. Do another little pan a bit higher up here. I'm going to bring it down a bit again now. A bit further. So I'm going to try the orbit mode. So I'm going to press the orbit button. And now it's going to turn. And is it going to orbit? Yes, it's going to orientate itself there. And then I'm going to press the stick to the left for the direction that I want. Let's see. Put it up a speed. Okay, I'm just going to take it out of orbit mode because now I've got a better idea what it is all about. Take it back a bit. Okay, I'm going to put it into orbit mode again. Turn it around this way. And go orbit. And then it goes into orbit mode. Let's see if it will stop on its own or whether I have to stop it. Okay. Okay, it'll carry on until say stop. Okay, let's try follow me. So here we go. I'm going to press follow me on the app here and start walking away. And it is turning and it is following me. See what happens if I go towards it. Yes. It's following me. So that works well. Let's take it out of follow me mode here. Oh, how do I get it out of follow me? Okay, let's try the waypoint tracking here now. And draw. Yeah. Let me just see. Yeah, I've got it out of follow me mode now. Get it down there again. Let's try this waypoint tracking again. Draw. Oh, okay, there we go. And submit. So out of there. Okay, we've been in the air 7.5 minutes. I've got a warning here, but I'm not quite sure what it is. Okay, let's try the return to home while we still got battery. So I'm going to take it down there. And I'm going to press return to home. So now it's going to go up. Turn around. Come back. Just wait for it to come down. So it's saying battery is low there. Got 18%. Now it's descending. Been in the air nearly 9 minutes. And coming into land here. Oh, and landed very close to there. So I'm just going to stop the clock, see if we can take off again. Okay, can still take off. I'm going to start the clock again. Just see what it does now. Saying battery is 20%. I just want to see what it's going to do if the battery does get too low now, so I'll just keep it around here for now. Still cruising nicely. Really handles quite well. Let me put it up a speed. That's a bit slower. Okay, we've still got an alarm. Battery staying down to 10% now, so let's see what it's going to do. Just going to let it hover there. Okay, it's still holding there. We're still getting an alarm, and now it's going down and going to land. So stop the clock. A flying time of just over 11 minutes. 11 minutes 15 seconds. So nice flight with this Visuo XS811 or 811. The GPS holds very well, very stable. There's about a 5 mph wind and it really held well. You'll have seen now what the videos come out like with this HD camera. Follow Me works very well. The waypoints I probably need to get a bit more practice to get the waypoints to work properly with the app. And let's just see if we can take a photo. Just taken a couple of photos, so here are a couple of photos. These LED lights are really good, very good for orientation. I'll definitely be doing a night flight with this and share this with you too. So a very nice GPS Wi-Fi FPV Quadcopter drone. So please subscribe, like, comment and share if you like my videos.